everybody. We are at Scarborough, Ontario at Northern Smoke, and we are here a very famous and very popular North American delicacy, that is smoked beef. We just stopped by there and they showed us this is the setup they have it. Yeah, look at those ribs, guys. Whoa, whoa. Oh man, look at that brisket as well, man. And I was standing there and it was really hot. And here you go, man. You guys wanna eat those brisket? For sure. This is the bird eye view, guys, of sitting area of Northern Smoke. Folks, this is their huge menu, man. They have a bunch of kind of platters, single server, and multi server as well. Look of people, what we order. We order back ribs, short ribs, and pulled brisket with the sides as well, guys. Can you imagine? Look at that smoked tender beef. I think when I mentioned that corn salad was fantastic. Believe me, that was hot mean like warm salad, and they have some kind of chili in it, which was really amazing. It gives you a little bit tartness and burning sensation on your tongue, and it feel amazing, guys. Look at that. Like, this is kind of a butter melting in your mouth. Believe me, guys. Oh man, this is the pulled brisket, and it was really tasty too, Diya.
Yeah, so tasty. Oh my God.
Oh man, really? And Dia, I think so. You finished that. Look at that. This is just a cream. This is just a butter. Look at that, man. It was really amazing platter. You guys can't believe. Look at those side ribs. Oh man, that was really fantastic as well. Look at that, how they are pulled, man. They are just kind of a butter. You can just pull off with the those fork, guys. Oh wow, man. I really recommended this platter, guys, because the uniqueness of this Northern Smoke is they offering halal option as well. So their beef is halal, and this option I couldn't found in whole Canada.